Pada Pranams Bhagwan. Bhagwan, the trainers and the Diksha givers from Czech Republic and Slovakia have given some questions, Bhagwan. Shall I start? Bhagwan, how is it with charges after awakening? Will they be all released all at once, gradually, or will they be just switched off? Or will they continue to influence others in our life without us being aware of it? Will our reincarnation cycle be over after we get awakened, Bhagwan? Thank you, Bhagwan.
Once you are awakened, you become intensely aware of your charges. And once you are aware of your charges, they can no more make use of you. Please translate. Once you are awakened, there is no more reincarnation for you.
Thank you, Bhagwan. My dear beloved Father, thank you for strong guidance and grace which I am getting. Still, I cannot believe how simple it is. During meditations, I am experiencing beautiful states and I am getting information that seem to me too wonderful that it is hard to believe for me. In my regular life, my doubts are still growing. Tell me please how I should strengthen my inner guidance so I could feel your love stronger also in regular life. Thank you, Bhagwan.
As days and weeks roll by, you would be taken over by the presence. Please translate. As the presence takes over and you start living in the presence, life would become totally different. Please translate. Everything would fall into place. There's nothing for you to do. Yes.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Greetings to you, my dear Bhagwan. I met your teachings only a short while ago, but the power of your words and the love that radiates from you is touching me deeply, and that's how I got here to Oneness Conference and Oneness Meditation. Inside of me, I feel growing love, but there are days when I still have sad feelings, fear, inner pain from what is happening in my private life and in the world. I would like to get rid of these feelings. I can feel how they are burdening me and drawing me down. Can you tell me how to deal with it? With love and honor to you, dear Bhagwan.
To be free of all your problems, your mind has got to stop. Please translate. Once you get the presence, the mind automatically stops. Please translate. Getting the presence is becoming easier by the day. Please translate. By the end of the year, most trainers and Diksha givers should be able to live in the presence. Yes.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Beloved Bhagwan, dearest Father, thank you very much for Oneness meditation. My words cannot describe how much I am grateful to you and Amma for all that you do for us. Thank you, thank you, thank you from all of my heart. I really believe that Oneness meditation will help to awaken 70,000 of people in the whole world. Tell us please, Bhagwan, why is the date December 21st, 2012 so special, and what will happen inside of us and in the world? Thank you very much and love to you, Bhagwan.
Right now, there are over 30,000 people who are awakened across the planet. Please translate. By December 21st, this figure is likely to be in excess of 70,000 people. Please translate. Once that happens, awakening would start spreading rapidly across the planet. Yes.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Dear Bhagwan, I am full of respect for what all you do for this whole planet, and I feel that many things I am not even able to understand, but still thank you very much for all that you do. With love and joy, I participate at Oneness meditations and other events in Oneness community. I enjoy life very much and I am grateful for that. I have no problems in my life concerning the family, children, job, home and money. But still, for a long time now, I am lacking the meaning of my life. I don't feel fulfilled and I keep searching obviously wrong way. I keep expecting something and I cannot get rid of the feeling. I think that It's not only me having this problem. Is there any help for that, Bhagwan, or is it okay? Thank you for your precious time, Bhagwan.
Your condition is the human condition. This condition would go away only if you have the presence with you. Please translate. You would soon start living the presence. Yes.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Beloved Bhagwan, in your message from the day of relationships, you and Amma speak about transfer of presence. Can you tell us something more about it, please, Bhagwan? We are so grateful that we can be witnessing the fulfillment of your vision. We all love you and Amma very much. Thank you for your infinite grace from the bottom of our hearts.
The time has come when it is very easy now to transfer the presence to another. Please translate. In India, thousands of people are moving into the presence every day. Please translate. And this is a permanent state. Please translate. Once you have acquired the presence, you have got to pray to the presence to move into another. Please translate. Once you have acquired the presence, pray to the presence and touch another, it would move on to the other person. Or you look into the eyes of the other person, then also it would be transferred. Or simply pray inside yourself, then also it would be transferred. Please translate. If person A gets the presence, he can transfer it to person B. Person B can transfer it to person C. Person C can transfer it to person D. The chain can go on endlessly. we can cover the whole of humanity very, very easily and effortlessly. Please translate. The phenomenon has now become so powerful that it has actually started to happen. Strangely, it is happening much before December 21st.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Bhagwan, when we have the power to change everything by our thinking, why we don't use modern technology to spread this teaching by TV, radio, which are watched and listened to by millions of people every day? It would be possible to purify all the negativity which could possibly happen when this technology is used, such as negative opinions of people and so on. This teaching could spread among the people much faster through discussions. Is it because not everybody is ready to accept the truth? People turn the TV on and they are flooded by tragic stories as if it is wanted to have people afraid of everything. Why don't awakened people use their ability to replace those nonsense news by news about how wonderful things has happened, what all a man can do for his happiness, the real happiness in one's spirit? Why do we have to wait for 21st December 2012, Bhagwan?
Yes, the time has come and we should make use of technology to take the phenomenon all over the planet.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Shri Amma Bhagwan, thank you for my transformation and the way it is going. As a trainer, I work hard, but I best I can. With pleasure, I am leaving real estate company where I am a partner, so I will have more time to do my trainer work. But I am full of sadness and due to that also full of pain whenever I go into my body feelings. These pains and sorrows are appearing when I think of my dear ones or me in painful situations of the past. I am experiencing this for myself and for my dear ones. I am asking Divine to make all what is necessary to solve this sorrow and pain for my awakening. I know that they are dissolving, but it is like ocean that is never ending. And I feel time flying and I am pulling wagon that is too much for me. Other feelings are also appearing and when I pay attention to them, they are gone. Only pain and sorrow have no end. They don't change. What can I do? What can I do not to carry them anymore and not to lose my strength? Thank you for your advice and I wish you great time of transformation, Bhagwan. Thank you.
As the presence takes over, you would be very soon be free of all your suffering.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Dear Bhagwan, I am grateful to you for all that you do for us. I am experiencing days full of bliss and I aim for awakening and I want to become your warrior so I can help to bring the age of oneness and global transformation. I can see people around me changing, but it seems to me that my family and relatives stay the same. How can I help them, Bhagwan? I love you, Bhagwan.
Very soon, your family too would change.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Dear Bhagwan, thank you for your presence in my life, your love, and for the opportunity to be Diksha giver. I met many people who want to help others, but they have many problems themselves and they are not able to help themselves. When one is not fully awakened, is one able to help others at all, Bhagwan? With love and gratitude, Bhagwan.
All this is going to change very, very soon.
Thank you, Bhagwan. My dear beloved Bhagwan, give our regards to loving and beloved Amma. I am a Diksha giver and thanks to Diksha, my life has changed unbelievably into miracles and many miracles are happening. Whatever I ask for, I am receiving very fast. Only one thing did not come true and it is to go to India for deepening. I am getting money, but it is not enough to get me to prostrate for you in person and to thank you for myself and whole of my family with great gratitude and honor. Thank you, Bhagwan. I am longing to come to India and do a deepening process. Can you tell us, Bhagwan, how does the deepening help us with our growth and awakening? What should I do to speed up my coming to India and that way speed up awakening and God realization, which would help us all? I love you very much, Bhagwan, and thank you for your help and love, Bhagwan.
Do not worry, I will help you.
Thank you for the time, Bhagwan. Can we meditate, Bhagwan?
We will meditate for a few minutes. Love you all. Love you. Love you all. Love you. Namaste.